PTZOptics Move SE 30X Review. Honest proof that AI auto-tracking actually replaces camera crews. The PTZOptics Move SE 30X is a professional pan-tilt zoom camera built for one simple purpose, giving you broadcast-quality shots without needing someone behind the camera. It's designed specifically for live streaming, video production, worship services, corporate presentations, and online teaching environments. The standout feature is advanced AI-powered auto-tracking that follows you automatically as you move across a stage or room, keeping you perfectly framed without any camera operator touching the controls. Add in a powerful 30x optical zoom that captures razor-sharp close-ups from over 100 feet away, multiple video outputs, including HDMI, SDI, USB webcam functionality, and NDI network streaming, plus simple one-cable installation via Power over Ethernet. It's built specifically for churches, schools, content creators, and small production teams who need genuinely professional results but can't staff a full production crew every single time. Imagine never worrying about who's running the camera again.
Here's what this camera solves immediately. First, it completely eliminates the need for a dedicated camera operator. The AI tracking does the work, freeing your entire team to focus on delivering great content instead of wrestling with equipment. Second, that massive 30 times optical zoom means you can mount it at the back of virtually any room and still capture stunning close-up detail, absolutely perfect for large spaces like auditoriums, lecture halls, or sanctuaries. Third, you get total flexibility with connectivity. Plug it into your computer as a premium USB webcam for Zoom or Teams, connect via HDMI to a video switcher for multi-camera productions, or stream it directly over your network using NDI without any capture cards or encoders. Here's where it gets interesting. Fourth, you can program up to 255 preset positions, podium, whiteboard, wide shot, audience view, and switch between them instantly during live events with a single click.
Picture this scenario. A small church was struggling every single Sunday because their volunteer camera operator could only show up twice a month. When he was there, the stream looked fantastic, smooth movements, perfect framing, professional feel. When he wasn't available, they were stuck on a lifeless, static wide shot that felt distant and completely disconnected from the service. They hesitated at first, honestly wondering if a camera could really replace an actual person. Then they installed the Move SE 30X with auto-tracking enabled and tested it one Sunday morning. Their pastor walked across the platform during his message, moved to the projection screen, gestured broadly, then returned to center stage. The camera followed him smoothly the entire time, zooming and reframing automatically without a single touch. Their online viewers commented immediately, "This looks so much more professional now." The turning point was realizing they finally had consistent, high-quality coverage every week. After testing a few different options, one thing became absolutely clear. Not every PTZ camera is built the same, and the differences matter. Don't just pick any auto-tracking camera. Make sure it has true AI-powered subject detection and predictive tracking algorithms so you never waste your time on cheaper cameras that lose focus the moment you step behind a podium, turn to face a screen, or move to the edge of the frame again. The Move SE 30X uses advanced tracking technology that recognizes your movement patterns and actually predicts where you're heading next, not just reacting after you've already moved halfway across the stage. That's the real difference between smooth, professional-looking camera work and jittery, awkward, robotic following that screams budget setup. Real proof from the field? A major university deployed these cameras in 12 different lecture halls and reported 85 to 90% successful auto-tracking performance across hundreds of classes with professors who pace constantly, gesture wildly, and move unpredictably. A corporate trainer wrote, "It follows me from my desk to the whiteboard seamlessly. My clients genuinely think I have a camera crew in the room." Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for auto tracking, 2 for zoom quality, 3 for easy setup. Imagine walking into your next presentation knowing the camera will follow you flawlessly, frame you perfectly, and deliver broadcast-quality video, all without a single human operator. Thousands of churches, schools, and professional creators already use the Move SE 30X daily for exactly that reason. It only takes a few seconds to see if it fits your specific production needs. I've dropped my link in the description and pinned it. Just click and check current availability. You deserve technology that works for you. For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.